Speaking of recharging, we were talking about the concept vehicle over there, and they were saying, oh, you're going to go from 5 to 80% in 25 minutes. What if you could go up to 80% in 15 minutes? These minutes count. And as an EV owner, this is one of the questions I get asked most. But how are you going to recharge it, and how long is it going to take? Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Do you want to?
Well, I just think that this is the perfect scenario to replace the gas station, because you can just top up, right? And it will be less than 15 minutes. This is like a full charge in 15 minutes.
80%.
Yeah, 80%.
Yeah.
So like maybe just like 5 minutes, that's like the same amount as you would to get gas.
5 minutes and be on your way.
Yeah.
Groundbreaking solid-state lithium metal EV battery charges in just 15 minutes. Scroll down a little bit. QuantumScape is the name of the company. They've announced impressive performance figures for what will be the first commercially viable lithium metal solid-state battery. They claim it can increase the autonomy of an electric car, which is what Will's talking about, by up to 80%. Wow. And it can charge from 0 to 80% in just 15 minutes using solid electrolyte instead of the typical liquid solution. Solid-state batteries can store considerably more energy by weight and volume than lithium-ion batteries, but yet making a battery that is reliable and has a useful life appropriate to any driver's needs. High charge and discharge rates, long service life, and without any temperature or safety concerns has proven difficult up until now, up until QuantumScape did it. In volumetric terms, the new battery can store 1 kilowatt hour /L, about 4 times what the current Tesla Model 3 battery stores. By weight, it offers between 380 to 500 watt hours as compared to 260 watt hours per kg in packages used by Tesla. So what does that mean? It means not only are you charging faster, but it looks like we're getting more capacity as well inside of this technology. And I think that's what they mean by improving autonomy. I think not only are you charging faster, you're charging less frequently, obviously, if you've got increased capacity. So people are going to obviously be keeping an eye on this particular company. You can see some of the graphs and some of the improvements that's available via this tech. Now, maybe companies come along and either contract this tech or try to acquire the tech is possible as well. I mean, I'm not saying that's going to happen, and it's definitely not financial advice. But
we need more.
But it just looks superior in every way. Yeah. I'm sure there's some downsides and arguments, and certainly reliability is one of them.
Sure.
Because anytime you're dealing with higher capacity or density, or there's other side effects, and hopefully they can figure it out. But they've raised a ton of money, and we'll see where they end up.
Congrats.